Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square equals to a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. This one that is about a. This one that is about b. To create about this one, we need to multiply by this one on numerator and denominator. So you have 8 over 3. Because we have the power 2 with 4 over 3, we have 8 over 3. Number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. Next, this one that is about n to the power of 4 minus n squared minus 1 to the power of 2. Now we need to expand this one. So n to the power of 4 minus n to the power of 4, we cancel. So we change the sign of this one. So we know that the highest power is about n squared. The highest power in here, that is about n to the power of 8 over 3. So 8 over 3 is greater than number 2. So when n approaches to positive infinity, this one you got about 0. Because this one is bigger than this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.